Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, darlings. Well, today we are going to be playing with some makeup. I'm going to go ahead and do two separate videos, but film it only one time. So, alright guys, what it do, baby boos. So let me go ahead and just clean up underneath my eye because red and pink do sting. So I am ready for some foundation, but first let's go in with some moisturizer, you guys. I always do this because I love this moisturizer. This one is the good Molocue silicone free. Alright guys, so this primer, you guys, I love this primer. This primer works amazing for me. So this one is good Molecule, and it's their silicone free priming moisturizer. Okay guys, but no lie, like I love this moisturizer because it's not greasy, it doesn't disappear and like do nothing, you know, like, oh, I just love this primer. Like, it's a moisturizing primer. They sent it to me, you guys, and to be honest, when they sent it to me, I was like, oh great, another brand that wants to send me makeup that is a no-name brand. I kind of really didn't know about them, and so they reached out and they're like, hey, I want for you to try our product, you know. And I was like, okay. I've been using them for maybe about like almost 2 months now. I love it, like no lie, I really love it. Then I go in with my Poreless Putty Primer from e.l.f. You guys already know that I love this primer. I really love this primer so much. I did not want to try the glowy one because, you guys, I don't want to be that glowy, to be honest. I really don't. So I'm gonna just go right into these pores and fill them in. Yeah, we have to fill in those pores because we don't want to look like we have ginormous pores, you guys. And today, guys, we are gonna be trying a new foundation. That's why I wanted to go ahead and prime like this, because I wanted to give this foundation a really good like opportunity to work the balm. And I'm gonna go in ahead and color correct a little bit. I don't know if this foundation will hold up this like beard line, so I'm gonna go in and color correct my beard. This one is from Maybelline as well, guys. It's a really good one. Up, and I have no more, so let's just use this sparingly. My main area that I focus it is like right here, no lie. But this is gone, you guys. There's no more in this bitch. So let me go ahead and blend and tap. So I like to swirl a little bit. Well, not swirl, but I like to pull, but tap at the same time. Yeah. This one's like a really darker shade of a concealer, guys. This one is from Colourpop. This one is in shade 36, and it does have like that orangey peachy undertone. So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel these dark circles right here, you guys. Right here. Really mainly right there, just to hide those dark circles before we highlight, because it can look really horrible if we just go right in and highlight. So yeah. So the last step is to really like just tap out this concealer a little bit. I'm gonna take this brush from Bretman and really tap under those eyes lightly. There we go. You guys see I only kept that peachy concealer in the area that I really needed it, like only right there. What I'm doing is I'm just pressing it in, you guys. Just press. Now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Deep Peach, you guys. This is a darker shade, but I like to go in with a little bit closer to my face color. And I'm gonna take my little brush from Jeffree. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and set my face a little bit, you guys. Just like a light dust of powder. So we're like basically setting our primer that we did everywhere, okay? And you guys, I always see Jaclyn do this, so to be honest, that's why I am trying this out, because I did see her do it and her face is always beat to the gourd, so why not, you know? And I know it looks a little weird right now, guys, but we're gonna go right ahead and use this foundation, you guys. I wanna go ahead and give this the proper dues. You know, like a lot of people have been raving about this foundation. This is the Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Foundation, you guys. So this is a medium to full coverage foundation, allegedly. And then also this shade I got is FS 8.0. So there was an 8.5, but that one was way too dark, and then the shade below this was way too light. So no, that's why I went ahead and picked up this shade right here, you guys. So this foundation is the Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Foundation in the shade FS 8.0, you guys. So this is more like skin, less makeup, formulated with soft blurring pigments, creating a comfortable medium to full coverage wear and natural finish for oily to dry skin. In a range of 24 shades, which they need more shades off the bat. It's a satin finish, oil-free, hydrating, long wear, lightweight formula with vitamin E. Okay, so shade range is okay, 24 shades. Okay, it's not so bad, but you know what? They do need more shades. I will say that. Now, satin finish, I love that. I do not like a really dry matte. Like, I really don't like a really dry matte formula. So I love that it's a satin finish. For you guys who don't know what a satin finish is, it is like right in the between, in the middle of a matte and a dewy. So it's right in between, what? It is right in the middle, which means it's kind of more like of a natural kind of finish, which is really good, you guys. I love that. I hope that's what it is. And it says it's oil free, great, so that way it doesn't break me out. Hydrating, that's what I love, because I don't like to feel like a mask, like a, you know, where you can't like move your fucking face. I don't like that shit. So that's what I do like, so it better be hydrating. And then long wear, lightweight formula, we will see about that, you guys. I hope it's lightweight, I hope it feels that way, and it has vitamin E. Let's do this. Based off, oh, and it's $12, so that's a steal. So if this is really good, we might have a new foundation that I love. Right now it is 6:19 p.m. you guys. I'm only gonna keep it on until maybe around like 10 p.m. You know, just because realistically I'm not gonna have it on that long, okay guys? So let's go ahead and try this out. Let's go ahead and shake this. And it does have a pump. I love the component. It's really chic. I love it. So let's go right ahead and take 2 pumps. So I'm gonna go in 1. Oh, that's a big pumper. And 2, that is a lot of foundation. This pumper thing on here is really good. I like it. So let me go ahead and put it on with a sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and go all over the skin with it. I want to see what it does for my skin. Okay. Ooh, I actually really like the shade. The shade is bomb. Oh my God. So right off the bat, you guys, what I'm noticing is that it's super smoothing. Like, I love that. Oh my Lord. Like, I really like that. And I'm not doing it with the brush and a sponge, you guys, because I would never do it with the brush. I just personally do not like using brushes for foundation. That's just not me. And so that's why I'm not gonna do that today. I just think sponges make everybody's face just look really, really smooth and beautiful. So that's the reason why that I don't go in with like I just think that sponges always blend things out as well as smooths the skin, which is what we need in this world. I will say, you guys, that this does oxidize though, but I'm not mad at how it's oxidizing really. I really don't care. I don't mind it oxidizing. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and take my 4th pump, okay? But you guys, this is actually pretty good because normally with foundations, what I do is I actually tend to use 4 pumps all over my face. Be going in with my 4th pump on my hand for just my like jaw area and to really like blend it out. I really do think that's not bad considering all of my other foundations, you guys, I always use about like 4 pumps, but that's only for my face. So I think that's not bad at all. So now for my this area, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cover all of this. You guys see that right there? How light it is when I apply it compared to here, which I don't mind. I just mind if it gets any darker throughout my day. That's what I mind, you know. I just don't want it to get darker. So we are gonna go ahead and move on to contour because you guys, I want to do everything exactly the same that I always normally do. So with that said, is I really want to go ahead and cream contour because that is the next step that I would do. But before I do that, what I do want to talk about right now, you guys, is that my skin looks gorgeous. Like, this is a close-up, you guys, of my skin. Wow, that shit looks bomb. Like fire, like wow. Wow, you guys, like clock me or clock me not, but this looks beautiful, no lie. Like it looks super duper good. So we're gonna cream contour the areas that I always do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my forehead. I always do this, you guys. This is nothing new. It's even the same product that I always use, guys. So I'm not even trying to like change the products that I always use because I want to make sure that this foundation will work with everything that I normally use already. Wow, you guys, this looks so good already, and I haven't even done much to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and go for coverage, you guys. Today we're gonna go in with our Jouer Creme Brulee. You guys know that this is like one of my favorite concealers, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this for coverage. And we'll use one for brightening, you guys. So let's go ahead and use this one. Do a little bit of reverse contour, just a little bit, you guys. Just go ahead and go up. Wow, you guys, this shit looks badass. I'm not gonna even lie about it. Like, it looks so good, no lie. Wow. Like, I really believe that I'm gonna start doing my makeup like this. I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Concealer in the shade C14, you guys. And what I'm gonna do is I'm really gonna put this like right here only. You like it? We are gonna go ahead and set with our Jeffree powder. This one is in the shade beige, you guys. And we're gonna take this powder and really set those under eyes after we blend out. And I really like to do this, you guys, because look, like I'm instantly gonna be brightened So we're gonna go ahead and use our powder puff, you guys, to really set underneath the eye. Let me go ahead and blend out. And then we're gonna go in with this one, you guys. This one is that darker shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're gonna take that on to the back of my brush. And we are going to just really set everywhere else pretty much, you guys. Because when I go in with my bronzer, I want like that smooth, seamless blend. Okay, you guys, so just like this over here. So we're gonna go ahead and take my Caramel Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics, you guys, and we're just gonna bronze just a little bit up. I'm not gonna do too much because we already have our face bronzed up, you know, so. And a little bit of blush never hurts. This is the blush from, what is it called? Milani Bellimoso or Bellioso, whatever you wanna call that. The last step for the face, you guys, is I take this Jaclyn Hill powder in the shade Brilliant, shake it up. We're gonna use a little bit of this, you guys, just to set. What I mean by a little bit, I mean like a little bit, because you guys, if you go in too heavy-handed with this, oh no, it's like the world is gonna end. I go in with my new setting spray from Beauty Creations in the peach one. I really like to get underneath the eyes because I don't want to look cakey. That's pretty much it with today's video. I hope you guys liked it. So everything that I tried out, which is pretty much just the foundation and the setting spray, as well as that new technique that Jackie Ina showed me. I have not touched up anything, you guys. I really have not. But everything that I did try out, like I said, which is just this foundation, as well as this peach setting mist. You guys need them both, as well as that technique that I tried. Do that powder technique, you guys. Oh my God, it looks gorgeous. Like super, super gorgeous. Love this Jeffree lip with it. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it with this. Be quiet! Alright guys, so that's pretty much it with this eye look. I hope you guys love this eye. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. And you guys, it was pretty simple. It maybe took me about like 10 or 11 minutes to do this eye look. No lie. It looks like I did like super duper detail, but I really didn't. Just the center is what really was the detail. But that's pretty much it, guys. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next one. And please don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And come on, binge watch my videos. What you doing? Binge watch my videos. See you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.